Add a video animation in Capcut Mobile completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Select your video clip, selected and highlighted. There's a ways to do this. You click and scroll to the right and click video animations. Quickly, you can add animations to these video clips. As you can see, we have a second, a third, and a fourth video clip. And let's say we want to animate this online completely for free. Your video clip, animations, go to in, you can scroll to the right, add in an animation. I'm going to click rock vertical, scroll this to the right on how long the animation will take or it will last. After you're satisfied, click the check mark. So now the video has an animation. If you want to have animation in between these clips, I got you. Click this right here, brings up transition, and under trending, scroll down and choose a transition of your choice. See how it transitions? You can add another video animation by doing the same exact thing. Check mark icon. And one more time for the next video clip. So we're adding a transition or an animation in Capcut completely for free. Say this is the before. This is the after.